Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make breadcrumbs for soup. First, gather some stale bread. It works best for a crisp texture. Cut your bread into small, uniform pieces, about 1-inch cubes, to ensure they dry evenly. Then, spread them on a baking sheet and toast in an oven at 300 degrees F for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown and dry. This step removes moisture and creates a perfect base. Once your bread is toasted and cooled, it's time to make crumbs. You can use a food processor to quickly pulse the pieces until they reach your desired consistency, from coarse to fine. If you don't have a processor, place the bread in a sturdy bag and crush it with a rolling pin. For extra flavor, mix in dried herbs, garlic powder, or grated Parmesan cheese before or after processing. Proper storage ensures your homemade breadcrumbs stay fresh and ready for use. Once cooled completely, transfer them to an airtight container. You can keep these in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, which is great for frequent cooking. For longer preservation, freeze your breadcrumbs for up to 3 months. Just thaw them at room temperature before adding to your favorite recipes. Now you have delicious, homemade breadcrumbs ready to elevate your cooking. They are fantastic for thickening soups and stews, adding body and texture. Try sprinkling them over baked casseroles or pasta dishes for a delightful, crispy topping. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy experimenting with your fresh crumbs in many culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.